I'm here today to talk to you about an e-commerce service website by Pintaduos. Lately, while browsing the internet, I find it so hard trying to search for quality items for an upcoming birthday party of my cousin. You might be wondering why I told you that story. It's because this illustrates that our website can be much more efficient about. Pintaduos Printing Services is the name of the store located at Alamada, North Cotabato, that works in different printing techniques and mediums that offer quality services to the people. The idea behind this project is to help you know the right services you should take. This is Michael Philip Sarapia. If you have inquiries, our crew has a lot to offer. They are Dominic Piguas, Jasper Bajo, Epian Dale Barrios, Eric Cedinho, Harvey Gatchalian, Dan Michael Remulado, Sho Balyar, Christine Ramirez, and Izine Ro.
Background of the company. With today's fast-changing business world, e-commerce are paving the way for the people to help them get their needs promptly and have easier access to the goods and services they want. According to NAPIT 2021, e-commerce quickly becomes widely recognized and used business model. And as a result of this, many businesses are introducing web pages to conduct or enable them to conduct commercial transactions through the internet. With the e-commerce exponentially growing over the past few years, the proponents foresee that the internet is good as a business expansion. With the pandemic situation that we're experiencing now, the health restrictions are affecting the traditional way of selling goods and services. As a response for this problem, the proponents developed a website named Pintaduos. The website's usability, aesthetics, and content are created using Jimdo, our web-based building. It showcases all the products and services offered to the printing needs of the customers, with its friendly user environment and accessible content with no geographic and time restrictions. This enables the customers to have flexible and unconstrained access to the website anytime and anywhere they want.
Objectives of the project. We have the general objectives and the specific objectives. First is the general objectives. The project aims to provide an online shop for the store Pintaduos Printing Services to develop and expand its online marketing extension to reach customers via a web-based environment. Next is the specific objectives. The main reason for doing this project is to create a responsive web-based store with a user-friendly environment, to utilize built-in website features for a good user experience, to showcase the store's services offered, to establish good customer support through service functionality.
Significance of the project. The project benefits the following. Customers. Customers can benefit from the ease in accessing the site and the friendly web environment of the website. They can view the store offers even without walking to the actual store anytime and anywhere without restrictions. Joy and Pintaduos Printing Services. The business can benefit from creating a web-based entity. It can make business staffs operate remotely and interact with customers, not very occasionally, keeping a safer job routine during the pandemic. Owner. The owner benefits the most in the cohesion of its online store. The store owner can supervise and monitor the business activity online even without going to the store and work directly. The owner can also cut a few expenses in running the business.
Scope and limitation of the project. Scope of the project. Joy Pintaduos serves as a business online extension of Joy and Pintaduos Printing Services. It provides anyone with its offers by searching the link on the internet and clicking the button. The store also offers different printing services with its user-friendly online environment and store support. The website is accessible online using the link for the store by entering it on the search bar of any search engine. Customers can also view the services provided and additional details on various pages. They can also reach out on the store via live chat, SMS or phone call, or email.
So moving on the limitation of the project, Pintaduos Printing Services online store is only accessible on laptops, smartphones, tablet, and other web-enabled electronic devices. Devices that do not support this feature will not be able to access the store. In addition to since websites work online, accessing it will require an internet connection with appropriate connectivity. It could be either Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, or the latest 5G network. The website is also limited on only display of printing services offered by the store, and the service payment methods depend on the customer and store deals. The person in charge, individual who has access to the website dashboard in the Jimdo can manage the web store activity and store updates.
Proposed context, use case diagram, and user stories. This is the figure 1.1, and it is the proposed context diagram of J. Pintaduos.
Proposed context use and use case diagrams and user stories. This is the figure 1.2, composed of the proposed use case diagram of J. Pintaduos.
Figure 1.2, proposed user stories. The owner or admin will log into the system using the correct login credential. 2. The owner or admin will input the service information to be displayed in the website. 3. The owner or admin will update the service information for any change. 4. The owner or admin can search the service information by scanning the product list provided in the website. 5. The owner or admin can view the service information provided and displayed in the website. 6. The owner or admin will input the contact details for customers to use for inquiries and other transactions.
Number 7. The owner or admin can update the contact details for any changes. Number 8. The owner or admin can view the contact details displayed in the website. Number 9. The owner or admin will log out to the website. For customer, number 1. The customer can search the service information and contact information by browsing the website. Number 2. The customer can view the service or information displayed on the website. Number 3. The customer can view the contact details of the store for inquiries and other transactions.
This part, we're going to present the interface and features of the website. Our website called J. Pintaduos. So this is the name of our website's web domain, www.jpintaduos.jimdo.com, or the main page of J. Pintaduos website. You can see here the overview or the course of action that the website wants to achieve. We have mission, vision, and more. You can also see here the navigation bar. It contains all the clickable pages of the website. The navigation bar can be found in all website tabs. So here we are on the service tab. The service tab or services tab contains all the services that the store wants to offer. You can see here we have sublimation, screen process, heat press, marketing, sticker, PD, and invitation cards. The I am interested button will take us to the services detail and information. You can see here, this is the sublimation printing details. It contains all the needed details that the customers want to read. This hyperlink text will lead us to the services catalog. You can see here that this is the sublimation printing services on different mediums. There's t-shirts, giveaway pants, giveaway mugs, etc. The back button will return us to the services tab. And here we are back again to services tab. All the printing services offered here contains each of their service information. Going to the catalog page. Catalog page contains the printing services, pictures, equipments, processes, and more. The hyperlink text will lead us to each printing service catalog. You can see here, you can see the products of sublimation printing, the machines used. Back button will turn the current tab to the catalog page. example would be the invitation cards. You can see here all the products of the store printing service done. Pressing the back button will bring us to the catalog service catalog page. All the printing services offered contains all pictures of their processes, machines, and their products. Blog page contains all the updates about the store, about their prices, their sales, and all different announcements. You can see here we have a sample blogs from the store. Clicking the read more button will take us directly to the proper blog. You can see here we have a sample blog created by the builders of the website. This part, the customers or users can actually send their queries or questions to the store by typing their name and their message here and clicking the send button. Their messages and name will appear in this part when it is sent. You can click the back button in order for us to get back to the main blog page. We are back to the main blog page. Moving on, we're going to the contact page. Contact page contains the phone number, the email address that the store have. Customers or users can contact them using these details. They can also write their names, email, and messages here. Their messages or queries are private. Only the admin or the administrator of the website can view and read their queries. The phone number and the email address are one of the main mediums that the users can use in order to contact the store if they have queries, questions, or with regards to their orders. Next would be the About Us page. Here we can see all the vital information that the stores want the users to read. You can see here the store founders, the location of the physical store, their missions, and all the things that the users or customers want to know about the store. One of the features of the website is the scroll to tab button. When clicking this blue icon on the left side of the website, it takes us to the top of the tab. You can see here. It only appears when the user scrolls to the bottom of the tab. The scroll to tab button is available on all pages of the website. One of the main features of contacting the website is the live chat icon. You can see it on all clickable pages found on the lower right side and appears to be a white speech bubble with a symbol of question mark inside. When clicking the icon, it will appear on all screens. Clicking the begin chat button will redirect us to the messenger's account of the user. For example, like this. Here we are redirected to the user's messenger account. When click these messages, as you can see here, we have received a response from the store, automatic response. Next is what the users can expect from the store's live chat icon or live chat feature. Moving on from the clickable pages of the website, let's go to the sidebar. This part is called the sidebar of the website. It contains some social media icons for Facebook, Twitter, and for Gmail or emailing the link of the website. You can share it to their friends in order for them to be aware of that the J Pintaduos is here for them to serve. Also click see here the logo, location of the physical store, the phone number, Gmail account, and this part is called information of the website about all the privacy policies implemented, cookie policies, and the sign-up of the website. J Pintaduos online store is not only available on PC or desktop, it's also available on mobile devices as long as it supports some browser and search engines such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. We carefully created and planned the full process of creation of the website in response to a user-friendly experience and to be competitive against other e-commerce websites out there. J Pintaduos online store is built for the people, and so Our website will always be there to serve them.
Acceptance test survey. In Table 2.1 shows the acceptance test survey. The users rated functionalities of the website based on the rating provided. Rating 1, description will be very satisfactory. The interpretation is functioning. The expected output is mid-range 1 to 1.66. Rating 2 will be description of satisfactory. Interpretation, there are minimal errors that can be handled. Range 1.67 to 2.33. Rating 3, description unsatisfactory. Interpretation, not functioning. The expected output is not meet. Range 2.34 to 3. Table 2.2, accessing and navigating the website. Table 2.2 shows the survey results of accessing and navigating the website. In logging in, accessing the website, all buttons and links are working. Signing up in the website shows an impressive score and described as very satisfactory. In addition, accessing or viewing the product information or accessing, viewing the contact details shows that half of the respondents have a very high score also, which described as very satisfactory. Table 2.3, screen design. Table 2.3 shows the survey result in screen design answered by the user. The table shows that 8 out of 10 respondents score a very satisfying experience in all screen design functionalities while using the website. It indicates that the website is functional and met the expected outcome.
Table 2.4 shows the survey results of the overall processing in the website answered by the users. The data reveals that users are very satisfied with the system processing of the website. The table shows that 8 out of 10 respondents scored very satisfying experience on all processing system functionalities while using the website. It indicated that the website is functional and met the expected output. Lastly, Table 2.5 shows the summary results of the acceptance test. The summary shows an overall mean of 1.22, indicating a very satisfactory result from the user's experience on the website. The data reveals that users were very satisfied with accessing and navigating the website, the screen design, and the system processing. It indicates that the website is functional and met the expected output.
Conclusion and recommendation. With the rise of e-commerce in this day and age, businesses must also follow the trend of expanding business operations to the internet platform. This project concludes that the website created is very functional with all its features working and it's operational. All major functions of the website are promising and showed user-friendly experience to the users. This means that the website is very helpful to the people searching online for printing services. And this concludes that Pintaduos online store is a responsive web-based store that can deliver good user experience and user-friendly environment that can meet customers' need for printing services.
Hi, so these are the recommendations of our project. With this intense competition in e-commerce these days, website enhancement is always possible and recommended. In addition, it's wise action to add other advantages and efficient features for user comfort and attraction. The website is highly operational but still can be improved in many ways and be developed more by the following. Number 1. Adding a click-to-call widget to the website to improve conversion rate. Number 2. Improving the contact information provided to the more detail. Number 3. Utilizing better images and text fonts and implement more interesting web design. So, this is the end of our project. Thank you for listening and God bless us.